Jordan Taylor Clarkson, born June 7, 1992, is an American and Filipino professional basketball player for the New York Knicks of the National Basketball Association (NBA). He played college basketball for 2 seasons with the Tulsa Golden Hurricane before transferring to Missouri, where he earned second-team All-Conference honors in the Southeastern Conference SEC. After forgoing his senior year in college to enter the 2014 NBA draft, Clarkson was selected by the Washington Wizards in the second round with the 46th overall pick and was immediately traded to the Los Angeles Lakers. He was named to the NBA All-Rookie First Team. He also holds Filipino citizenship and has represented the Philippines national team in 2021. Clarkson was named the NBA 6th Man of the Year. Clarkson was born in Tampa, Florida, to African American Mike Clarkson and Filipino-American Annette Talao Davis. Davis' mother, Marchelina Talao Kingsolver, was from Bacolor, Pampanga, Philippines. Both his parents served in the United States Air Force and divorced when Clarkson was young, with Clarkson's father later remarrying Janie Clarkson. He moved to San Antonio, Texas around age 6. He attended Karen Wagner High School in San Antonio. As a sophomore, he averaged 10 points per game while earning honorable mention all-district accolades. As a junior, he averaged 20 points, 6 rebounds, and 4 assists per game, leading his team to a 32-8 record and the Class 5A state semifinals. On November 11, 2009, Clarkson signed a national letter of intent to play college basketball at the University of Tulsa. National team career. In 2011, talks were initiated for Clarkson to play for the Philippine national team, also known as Gilas. However, Clarkson did not meet the FIBA eligibility requirements to be considered a Filipino citizen as he acquired his Philippine passport after age 16. He is eligible, though, to play as a naturalized player. Clarkson visited the Philippines in August 2015 on the invitation of Manny Pangilinan, the then president of Samahang Basketball NG Pilipinas SBP, the National Basketball Federation of the Philippines, to observe the training of Gilas. Aside from fulfilling his commitments as an endorser of Smart Communications, which was also presided by Pangilinan. In an interview, SBP Executive Director Sonny Barrios confirmed that Clarkson has carried a Philippine passport since he was 12, and therefore did not need to undergo the naturalization process to represent the Philippines in international competitions. Clarkson did not make the final cut due to scheduling conflicts with the Los Angeles Lakers. The Lakers agreed to let Clarkson play, but the NBA collective bargaining agreement requires that national team play should not interfere with the Lakers' team requirements, which expected players to report on September 28th. However, the tournament ran until October 3rd. Clarkson expressed his disappointment that he could not represent the Philippines in the 2015 FIBA Asia Championship. Clarkson was initially included in the 17-man pool for the Philippines lineup for the final Olympic qualifying tournament for the 2016 Rio Olympics. However, due to time constraints and a complicated eligibility process, the team instead opted for Andre Blach as its naturalized player due to lack of size. In August 2018, the NBA cleared Clarkson to play for the Philippine national team in the 2018 Asian Games that was held from August 18th to September 2nd, 2018, with a one-time exception allowing Clarkson to play for the Philippines for the first time. His first game with the national team was against China, where Clarkson led all scorers with 28 points, but fell short of the match 82-80. In his second game with the national team, Clarkson once again led his team with a 25-point performance, but could not overcome Korea. The team bowed out of a podium finish. Clarkson managed to get his first win with the national team, defeating Japan 113-80, in which he recorded 22 points, 6 rebounds, and 9 assists. Clarkson ended the tournament with a win, beating Syria 109-55 with a 29-point performance, earning the Philippines a 5th-place finish, its best in 16 years. In August 2022, SBP announced that they have accepted Clarkson as a naturalized player for the 4th window of the 2023 World Cup Asian qualifiers and future FIBA tournaments. On August 25, 2022, Clarkson made his FIBA debut and scored 27 points in a loss against Lebanon in the FIBA World Cup Asian qualifiers. Clarkson was included in the 21-man pool for the 2023 FIBA World Cup, where he was eventually included in the final 12-man lineup as the team's naturalized player. In conclusion of the 2023 FIBA World Cup, he played 5 games for the Philippines, averaging 26.0 points, 4.6 rebounds, 5.2 assists, 1.2 steals, 0.2 blocks in 36 minutes of playing. Personal life, Clarkson has dual citizenship with the Philippines and the United States. His Filipino citizenship is by virtue of ancestral descent. He was in a relationship with American singer-songwriter Maggie Lindemann from 2022 to 2025. He has a daughter and lives in San Antonio, Texas. more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.